Innovative Kids channel. Hello, David.
Hello, Ava.
Good morning, David.
Good morning, Ava.
Good afternoon, David.
Good afternoon, Ava.
Good evening, David.
Good evening, Ava.
Good night, David.
Good night, Ava.
Hello, are you a student?
Yes, I am.
How are you?
I am fine.
Is it an apple?
Yes, it is.
Is it mango?
Yes, it is a mango.
Is it an orange?
No, it is not. It's a cherry.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a cat.
What is it?
It's a bike.
What is this?
This is a dog.
What is this?
This is a monkey.
What is that?
That is a lion.
What is that?
That is an elephant.
What color is it?
It's blue.
What color is it?
It's green.
What color is it?
It's red.
Is it pink?
Yes, it is.
Is it yellow?
No, it isn't. It's orange.
What number is it?
It's 5.
What number is this?
This is 7.
What number is it?
It's 8.
Is this 2?
Yes, it is.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is.
Is he a teacher?
Yes, he is.
Is she a nurse?
No, she isn't. She is a doctor.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who is she?
She is my mom.
Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Who is she?
She is my grandmother.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
What is your name?
My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you, too.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old, too.
Oh, really?
She's cute.
Yes, she is.
What is her name?
Her name is Maria.
How old is she?
She is 4 years old.
Is she tall?
No, she isn't tall.
I have a dog.
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
What's his name?
His name is Puppy.
What color is he?
He's white.
Is he big?
No, he's small.
He is cute.
I have twin cousins.
Are they boys?
No, they are girls.
Are they tall?
No, they're not tall.
How old are they?
They're 2 years old.
What are their names?
Aaron and Ruby.
Nice names.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Do you like oranges?
Yes, I like oranges.
Do you like strawberries?
No, I don't.
Happy birthday, David.
Thank you, Ava.
Here's your birthday gift.
What is it?
It's a crayon set.
Thank you, Ava.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids learning videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.